Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your Apple Watch is on its charger and at least 50% charged, and your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Once done, connect the iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network and unlock it. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap General then Software Update to start. You must keep the devices close throughout. The iPhone downloads the update and sends it to the watch, which is why both power and connectivity matter. You now let the update download and transfer. In the Watch app, tap Download and Install, authenticate if asked, and watch the progress indicator. While the iPhone downloads, the watch will prepare to receive files, so keep both devices within a few feet and the watch on its charger. If transfer stalls, check storage on the watch and free about 500 megabytes by removing apps or music. Be patient. The transfer can take several minutes, and interrupting Wi-Fi will pause the process. You finish by allowing the watch to install. It will restart automatically while on the charger. Do not remove it or force quit the process. Once it boots to the watch face, go to Settings General about to confirm the new Watch OS version. If the update fails or the watch is stuck, try a force restart. Hold both buttons until you see the Apple logo. If problems persist, unpairing and repairing the watch from the iPhone often resolves stubborn update errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.